Today, we have benchmarked a display manager or login manager. This is good to know because generally everything that has been benchmarked so far has been leaning towards SDDM so that it's sort of consistent for all the testing. If everything is using SDDM, then it's all sort of relative. But today, what we've tested is a different display manager or a login manager. And that is Emptty, which is a terminal login manager. And I like it. It seems nice. It will show you all the different options you have available for logging into. And the performance is better than SDDM. So this was tested with Sway. So if we have a look at Sway with SDDM, so 120 megs of RAM versus 107. That's a difference if you still want a login manager and you don't want to use agreety with agreety. So that is still better, or better yet, you just run Sway when you log in on a terminal, or you could put Sway into something like a .bashrc file or a .pro file so you can have it launch automatically.
I forgot to link catnip.
Ideally, this is the route you would go. But if you don't want to type Sway into a command line or have it auto start, for example, if you have more than just Sway, if you're testing other window managers or desktop environments, then something like Emptty would be good. I don't know if agreety offers that same sort of functionality where you can, at your login screen, choose a different window manager or desktop environment. But if it does, this is the best. If it doesn't, then Emptty is a great option for that. But I don't know how many people these days offer or use more than one desktop environment or window manager. System load is still 0 like everything else. Doesn't take up too much disk space, but more than agreety with agreety. And the reboot time, roughly the same. 1 second difference, it's hard to tell. But it appears to be better than SDDM. Emptty, that seems like a reasonable option for a display or login manager. Reboot. Emptty, I saw you briefly there. Blank screen. There's our boot output that we love so much, and we're back. And if this was Hot Ones, I'd be out. Okay!